Did you know a defending champion once shot the worst round in Open Championship history? In 1991, Ian Baker Finch was on top of the world. The Australian golfer had just won the Open Championship at Royal Birkdale, beating the best players on the planet. 1 year later, he returned to defend his title at the same course. What happened next became golf's most painful meltdown. Baker Finch stepped onto the first tee as the defending champion. The crowd cheered. The cameras rolled. Everything seemed perfect. Then disaster struck. Shot after shot went wrong. His drives sailed into the rough. His putts missed by miles. The man who had mastered this course just 12 months earlier couldn't hit a fairway. When he finally signed his scorecard, the number was shocking. 92. 92. The defending Open champion had shot 21 over par in front of his home crowd. Baker Finch never recovered from that day. The mental scars ran too deep. Within a few years, one of golf's brightest stars had quit competitive golf forever. Sometimes the game breaks you completely.